Find the limit of the expression as x approaches 2. The expression is the fraction with numerator x squared plus 3 times x minus 10 all over x minus 2. The quotient of x squared plus 3x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 is equal to the quotient of the product of the quantity x minus 2 and the quantity x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. The limit as x approaches greater than 2 of this expression. The quantity inside the first fraction is the product of two binomials. The first binomial is x minus 2, the second binomial is x plus 5. The fraction is over x minus 2. This is equal to x plus 5. The second row is the limit as x approaches a value greater than 2 of the expression inside the parentheses. The expression inside the parentheses is x plus 5. The limit as x approaches greater than 2 of the expression x plus 5 is equal to the value of x plus 5 at x equals 2. Which is 7. The answer is 2. There is a blank space next to it. Following that, there is a 7.